Today we're going to learn how to multiply algebraic expressions. So first one, as you could remember in the first law of exponent, when you're going to multiply two variables, example x and x, what you're going to do is to add their exponent. So example, x times x, the exponent of x is 1. If there is no exponent, it means there's 1. And x 1, so it means that x, just copy the base x and then add the exponents. So 1 plus 1, or answer directly x squared. If you know it already, it's simply x times x, or x times x is equal to x squared, because 1 plus 1, you may not write this anymore, just answer directly x squared. Next, for this one, 2x times 4x squared, so you're going to multiply first the coefficients, the numerical coefficients. 2 times 4 is 8, and then x and x multiply. So what you're going to do is add the exponent. If there is no exponent, there is 1. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So the answer, 2x times 4x squared is equal to 8x cubed. Next, monomial by binomial. So this is monomial, this is binomial, because there are two terms. So what you're going to do is use the distributive property of equality. So you multiply first 2x by x, and then 2x by 7, positive 7. So what you're going to do is like this. You could do like this: 2x multiply by x plus 2x multiply by 7, or 2x multiply by positive 7. So it would be equal to 2x times x is 2, x times x is x, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2x squared plus 2 times x, 2 times 7 rather, is 14. Kasi walang x dito, so what you're going to do is just copy x. So the answer is 2x times x plus 7 is equal to 2x squared plus 14x. So that's how you're going to answer it. You could skip this stage, or you could answer directly if you know the answer. For this one, so the same process, multiply this distributive property of equality. So 3y squared multiplied by x cubed plus, always write plus, 3y cubed, 3y squared multiplied by, this would become negative y cubed. This will become negative y cubed. So plus 3y squared multiply by negative 4y plus again 3y squared multiply by positive 2. So 3y squared times x cubed is 3. Because they don't have the same bases, hindi magkapareho yung letter, so ang gagawin mo is kopyahin mo na lang yan. Maunang x, kasi sa alphabet, mauna talaga ang x. So 3x cubed y squared plus 3, there is no number in here, so magiging, if walang number, ibig sabihin yan may 1. Or, so kung dahil 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Negative 3. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Dito, kinopya na lang natin ng 3 kasi walang number dito at saka hindi, it's positive. So, halimbawa kung 1 dyan, kasi walang number, kapag walang number, ibig sabihin may 1 dyan. So, 1 times 3 is equal to 3, or just copy 3. Next, in here, the same sila na y. So, we're going to do multiplication. So, y, ang mangyari, i-add ang exponent. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3 times negative 4. I-times muna yung mga numbers. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Again, magkapareho ang letter. So y plus an exponent. 2 plus, walang exponent, ibig sabihin may 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus 3 times 2, 6. Walang variables dito, so ibig sabihin kopyahin mo lang ang y squared. So this is now the answer. Next, this one, it's quite different because binomial by binomial. So, ang gagawin mo dyan, distribute the same process, you're going to distribute. However, ito, i-times mo dito, ito, i-times mo dito. Ito naman, i-times mo dito, ito, i-times mo rin dyan. So, let's start with this one, 2x times x plus, always plus. 2x na naman times negative 2 plus 3, we'll have 3, it's positive, so positive 3 times x plus positive 3 times negative 2 is equal to 2x times x, it's 2x squared plus 2 times negative 2, negative 4. Kasi walang x dito, so copy lang ang x. Plus 3 times x, so 3x. 3 times 1, 3, copy x. Plus 3 times negative 2, that's negative 6. As you could see, dito may gagawin pa tayo. Anong gagawin natin sunod? What you're going to do is, because this is negative 4x at this is positive 3x, ibig sabihin, magkapareho silang x, so pwede mo silang ma-plus. Dito, wala kang ma-plus dito kasi walang magkapareho ang variables. Ito magkapareho ang variables, however, they don't have the same exponent. So, this is y to the 5, this is y to the 3, y to the 2. So, ibig sabihin, wala kang ma-plus dyan kasi there are no similar terms. But for this one, pwede mo ito ma-plus silang dalawa kasi magkapareho silang x. Tapos magkapareho rin ang exponent which is 1. So, ang gagawin mo, pahin mo itong 2x squared kasi wala ka namang ma-plus dyan. Plus negative 4x plus 3x. Ibig sabihin yan is minus 4 minus 1, that's 1. Kasi mas malaki yung 4. So, kupihan mong sign, negative 1x plus negative 6. Or you could write this as the same lang yan sa 2x squared minus 1x minus 6. Pareho lang yan silang dalawa. Next is, there is another process by arranging it vertically. So 2x plus 3x minus 2. The same process when we multiply, example, 12 times 24, multiply this. So, ganyan. Dito, pwede mo rin yung gawin. So, you can start with this one in here, and the left. So, 2x times x, or x times 2x, that's 2x squared. X times positive 3, that's positive 3x. Next, we're done with x. Dito naman tayo sa negative 2. Negative 2 times 2x, it's negative 4x. Isulat mo dito siya kasi magkapareho silang term. So, they are similar term. Kasi magkapareho silang x, so isulat mo siya sa baba. Pero kung sagot nito is x squared, dito mo siya isulat sa baba ni x squared. Pero dahil ang answer dito is 2x lang. So, ibig sabihin, negative 4x pala. So, isusulat mo talaga dito siya sa ilalim ng kapareho niyang term. Next, negative 2 times positive 3 is negative 6. Negative 6, hindi mo siya pwedeng isulat dito sa ilalim kasi may x squared. Hindi mo rin siya pwedeng isulat sa ilalim dito kasi may x. Ang negative 6 wala. So, isulat mo dito. Isusulat mo siya dyan sa gilid ni negative 4x. Ngayon, the same process plus, kasi walang number sa baba, so bring down 2x squared. 3 plus negative 4, that's negative 1x. Kasi walang number sa taas, so bring down so negative 6. So, they have the same answer, so our answer is correct. Next, number 6. If this is the given, you could have this, or you could also have this one. So ang gagawin natin, we'll start with this one, distribute. So we'll distribute this first. 3x times 4x squared plus 3x times negative 2x. 3x naman dito plus 3x times negative 1. That's negative 1. Plus, dito naman tayo sa 2. 2 times 4x squared. Plus 2 times negative 2x. Plus 2. Dito pala. Plus 2 times negative 1 is equal to times 3 times 4, 12, x times x squared, so 1 plus 2, 3, plus 3 times negative 2, that's negative 6, x times x, that's x squared, kasi 1 plus 1, 2, plus 3 times negative 1, that's negative 3, copy lang ang x kasi walang x dyan, plus 2 times 4, 8x squared, plus 2 times negative 4, that's negative 2 times negative 2 pala, that's negative 4x, plus 2 times negative 1, that's negative 2. Next, as you could see, may magkaparehong terms. Kasi ito, x squared siya, meron ng x squared dito. Ito x lang, itong x. Itong x cube, wala siyang kapareho. So, what you're going to do is just copy 12x cube. Next, ito sila, kailangan mo silang i-plus. Negative 6 plus 8. You could copy this one. Or, pwede mo na diretso answer dito. Negative 6 plus 8. X squared. I-arrange siya muna natin so that it would be easier. So, arrange na to. Nasulat na to. So, ito may mga x na naman. Saka negative 2. So, copy 12x cubed kasi wala siyang kapareho. Ito, negative 6x squared plus 8x squared is equal to positive 2. Copy x squared. Plus negative 3 plus negative 4. That's negative 7x. Plus, copy na lang ito kasi wala siyang kapartner, negative 2. So, this is the answer. Paano naman kung gagawin natin ganito? So, 3x plus 2. So, isusulat natin sa taas yung mas mataas. Plus 1. So, we'll start with this one. 12x cube. 1 plus 3. There's 1 in here. So, may 1 rin dyan. So, this one. Negative 6x squared. This one. Positive 3x. This one. That's 2 times 4. 8x squared. 8x squared. So, dito natin siya susulat sa ilalim ng x squared. This one, 2 times negative 4x. 2 times negative 2x pala. That's negative 4x. Susulat natin siya dito sa ilalim ni may x. Kasi x sila. So, pareho silang x. 2 times 1. Ay, negative pala ito. Bakit positive yan? 2 times kasi minus 1 pala dyan. So, 2 times negative 1, it's negative 2. I-change rin natin to kasi it's 3 times negative 1, so it should be negative 3. So, bring down, plus. Bring down kasi wala siyang kapareho. Negative 6 plus 8, that's 2. Positive 2x squared. 3, negative 3 plus negative 4, that's negative 7x minus 2. So, as you could see, magkaparehong ating answer. So, we have correct answer. Next one, the last one, 2 plus x times x minus 4 times x minus 3. So as you could see, iunahin natin itong times silang tatlo. I-times natin silang tatlo. So ang mangyari niyan, magiging 2 plus x. Ito munang dalawa ang ating i-times. You can start with this one, x times x squared, pero I will start with this one, itong dalawa munang i-times. So again, pwede mo itong dalawa munang unahin, or pwedeng unahin itong dalawa, or itong dalawang unahin mo ang x at saka x plus 3 times. But in this one, unahin natin itong dalawa. So we'll start with x times x. X times x is x squared. X times 3x, x times 3, that's positive 3x. Negative 4 times x, that's negative 4x. Negative 4 times 3, it's negative 12. Next. So, after that, i-distribute na natin to siya. 2 plus. So, kapag x lang, ibig sabihin may 1 dyan. So, 2x times x squared is x cubed. 1 plus 2, 3. Plus 3x squared. Ito. Minus 4x. 1 plus 1, 2. Ito. Times natin dyan. That's negative 12x is equal to, this could be the final answer. Ito. So, not yet. Bakit not yet? Kasi 3x squared, may magkaparehong may x squared. So, hindi pa yan siya ang final answer. So, kopyahin natin ng 2 kasi wala naman siyang kapartner dyan na 2, walang x. X cube, wala siyang kaparehong x, may x cube. Plus 3 at saka 4. 3 minus 4, that's negative 1x squared minus 12x. Kopyahin natin 12x kasi wala namang terms dito na x lang. So, after that, this could be the answer, but the final answer is this one. Pwede nating i-arrange yan by yung from the highest exponent or the highest degree to the lowest degree. So, ito siyang may pinakamataas na exponent or may pinakamataas na degree. So, unahin natin yung x cubed plus negative 1x squared minus 12x plus 2. So, na-arrange natin siya from the term with the highest exponent to the lowest exponent. So that's our answer. That's how you're going to multiply algebraic expressions.